the next presentation and the highlight of the Natya Marga is Dashavataram. Dashavataram refers to the 10 avatars or incarnations of the universal source energy called Vishnu, the Hindu god of preservation. Whenever there is chaos and imbalance of power on earth, Vishnu, the source energy, manifests itself into an incarnation on earth to restore the cosmic order. In this next presentation, we present 10 of the most popular incarnations of Vishnu, highlighting the role and incarnation of the charming Krishna of the Mahabharata. The 10 incarnations are Matsya, the fish, who saved Manu from the deluge, protecting the knowledge and wisdom of life on earth. Kurma, the tortoise, who offered his heart back, bearing the weight of the Mandara mountain that was used to churn the ocean in search of the nectar of immortality. The two groups of participants who competed for the nectar of immortality were the good and the evil. And when they did find the nectar of immortality, Vishnu ensures that the good prevails over the evil. Varaha, the boar, evolved to defeat Hiranyaksha, a demon who had taken the earth and drowned her to the bottom of the cosmic ocean. Varaha, the boar, carried the earth out of the ocean between his tusks and restored it to its place in the universe. The next avatar, Narasimha, the half-man, half-lion, from the Satya Yuga, the age of truth. The demon king Hiranyakashipu was granted a powerful boon from Brahma, making him the most powerful and the invincible one, who could escape death in any given situation, by a human or an animal, indoors or outdoors, during day or night, on earth or in the space, or with any weapon. So Vishnu schemed up a plan and descended onto the earth as a unique incarnation with the body of a man and head and claws of a lion. He then destroyed the demon Hiranyakashipu in a courtyard on a threshold of a house at the time of dusk with his claws, placing the demon on his thighs. Vamana, the dwarf, when King Bali becomes the most powerful king on earth, Vishnu descended on earth as a young Brahmin, Vamana, asking the king for 3 pieces of land. When King Bali agrees, the dwarf reveals his true form, the size of a giant. He stepped over to the heavens in his first ride and the skies with the second. So, to fulfill his promise, and by realizing the act of Vishnu, the king gave in and offered his head for Vamana's 3rd stride. Vishnu Vamana placed his 3rd step on the king's head, crushing his ego and vanity. Parashurama, with the axe, was the Brahmin Kshatriya, or the warrior saint. When the warrior class became too powerful and abusive, it was Parashurama with the axe that defeated the warrior class, thus maintaining the checks and balances of power on earth. Rama, the noble king of Ayodhya, is one of the most commonly worshipped deities in India, Indonesia, and Thailand. He is the consort of the beautiful and pious Princess Sita, along with his brother Lakshmana and the monkey god Hanuman. He defeated the powerful and the lustful king Ravana, who had abducted his wife Sita. Krishna was the eighth son of Devaki and Vasudeva. He is a dearly worshipped deity among the Vaishnavites and a prominent incarnation in this Natyamargam presentation. Krishna was the charming musician who played the divine flute, a world-class diplomat and the hero of the great epic Mahabharata. He teaches the world the value of diplomacy, right action, and dharma, the role of duty in life. Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism, also has a place as an avatar of Vishnu in Hinduism. During Buddha's time, when the Brahmins abused their power and lost sight of their duties in life, Buddha came into picture, preaching peace, compassion, and non-violence. And he offered a middle path away from extremes of religion and ritual practices. Kalki will be the final incarnation of Vishnu in this presentation. Kalki is believed to have appeared on a white horse with a sword in his hand to destroy all evil during the present age of Kali Yuga. Apart from myth and religion, Vishnu Narayana incarnations and colorful stories are believed to represent various stages of human evolution. And now, the Dashavataram, 10 incarnations of Vishnu, a composition of Sri Madhvacharya.
Devaki Nandana Nanda Kumara Vrindavana Chana Gokula Chandra Devaki Nandana Nanda Kumara Vrindavana Chana Gokula Chandra Devaki Nandana Si, sa, ka, na, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, sa, ka, na, ka, sam, sa, ri, si, ta, sa, ka, sa, si, ta, so, si, ta, so, sa, ri, si, ta, so, si, ta, so, sa, ka, sa, ri, si, ta, so, sa, ka, si, ta, sa, ri, si, ta, so, sa, ka, si, ta, sa, ri, si, ta, so, sa, ka, si, ta, sa, ri, si, ta, so. Devaki Nandana Nanda
चंद्रशतानन
तलंग तकदिमि तकतदि गिणतुं जं ता तकता जं तदि ति ति जनुत जनुतदि तकता जं ता तकता जं तदि ति ति जनुत जनुतदि तकता तिलकदि ता Ding taka taka ding taka dong ding dong ding taka tari dong ding dong ding taka tari sit dong 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 ta tari dong taka tari dong dong ta tari dong taka tari dong dit dong dong ding taka tari dong taka ding taka ding taka dong ding dong ding taka tari dong ding dong ding taka tari sit
भूमि गीते चक्रकुलान्तक शम्भुपदेव्य रामप्रदूतवद सुजित 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 गीते चक्रकुलान्तक शम्भुपदेव्य राघव 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 मारुति वल्लभ जानकी कांत राघव 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 मारुति वल्लभ जानकी कांत राघव राघव राक्षस क्षेत्र 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 देवकी नंदन सुंदर रूप रुक्मिणी वल्लभ पांडव बंधु देवकी नंदन सुंदर रूप रुक्मिणी वल्लभ पांडव बंधु देवकी नंदन देवकी नंदन सुंदर रूप रुक्मिणी वल्लभ पांडव बंधु देवकी नंदन सुंदर रूप रुक्मिणी वल्लभ पांडव बंधु देवकी नंदन सुंदर रूप रुक्मिणी वल्लभ पांडव बंधु देवकी नंदन सुंदर रूप देव सुबोधक दुष्ट स्वरूप दैत्य विमोहक नित्य सुखादे 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 देव सुबोधक दुष्ट स्वरूप दुष्ट कुलांतक
Thank you.